Have you ever heard a sound that no one else seems to notice? Welcome to Taos, New Mexico, home to the mysterious Taos Hum. Since the early 1990s, some residents of Taos have reported hearing a persistent low-frequency hum. Described as a faint diesel engine idling in the distance, it's a sound that drives many to distraction, but not everyone can hear it. What's even stranger, scientists have tried to pinpoint the source using sound detectors and other equipment, but they've come up empty-handed. Some theories suggest industrial equipment, seismic activity, or even psychological factors, yet the true cause of the Taos Hum remains a mystery. Is it an unknown natural phenomenon, a secret government experiment, or something even more mysterious? What do you think? Let us know your theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay curious and keep exploring the hidden mysteries of our world.